It is dangerous to observe the sun directly. You should never try it. There are a few common ways to observe the sun safely. For example, we can view the sun through a telescope or a digital camera equipped with a special sun filter. Some sun filters only allow light of certain wavelengths to pass through. They allow us to clearly see the prominence projected from the sun. However, such sun filters are expensive, and not everyone can afford them. There is a simple and less expensive way to observe the sun. We can use a pinhole to project the image of the sun onto a piece of paper or a wall. The disadvantage of this method is that the image formed is unclear. Unless the pinhole and the projecting surface are far apart, and there is good shading between them, the sun's image obtained from the pinhole alone is very small. It is hard to observe tiny sunspots in this way. The sun's image can be enlarged by using lenses. This telescope-like apparatus has several lenses. After multiple refraction and reflection, the sun's image is greatly magnified. We can therefore observe sunspots easily. If we repeat the observation for a few successive days, we can estimate the rotational period of the sun. However, the sun's image obtained this way may still not be clear enough to show tiny sunspots. Besides, the sun may have few or even no sunspots when observation is made. In this case, we may need to seek help from the Internet. SOHO spacecraft of NASA provides clear images of the sun. We can see the sun in real time and previous images from SOHO's website. This is a quick, safe, and convenient way to observe the sun.